Today I'm going to show you how to generate clips for social media in Riverside. So I've got my video clip over here, and you could do all of this manually by changing the aspect ratio, adding in special effects, making sure that everything looks good. But ultimately what we actually want to do here is go to the co-creator, and over here in the Ask Co-Creator, we want to go ahead and say create short clips in 9:16 aspect ratio for TikTok. Of course, you can change whatever details you'd like in here. You can also add whatever details you'd like in over here. Now, once you click on send, it'll now start generating for you. But one thing that you need to understand, in the left hand side over here, your captions are being generated. Now, while your captions are being generated, this cannot happen. You will get an error while your captions are generating if you are attempting to create a shortened version of this video clip. So as you can see over here, we've now got a shortened video clip. You can click on edit. This will put it in the timeline. It will remove this, and you'll allow to then continue to change whatever it is that you'd like to do about it. You can also do this manually, or you could type it in and then make the edits and export for social media.